What's up, guys? It's a beautiful sunny day and we are going on an adventure. We've got the whole truck loaded up, 2-person kayak, fly rods. Let's go catch some fish.
We're going to get active today. Big adventure day.
This is a bumpy dirt road, but we've got all of our gear ready. At the end of this road is a ramp that we're gonna launch the kayak in and hopefully catch some fish. Precious cargo in the cooler, our lunch. That'll do.
I'll put the backpack in the middle and you in the front.
That's my little dragons. Paddle. 2 rods, 2 paddles, 2 people, 2 lunches.
You want me to go in first?
You can go in first. And we're off. Look how clear this water is. Whee! The goal for today is to catch some fish on fly. Got our kayak all loaded down. We're gonna go to an area where we think there might be fish. We also have our lunches packed. We're gonna go have a little picnic on a remote island during lunchtime and hopefully see some cool things. Some of what we're paddling over is this nice white sand, but we are also going to be paddling over some seagrass area.
Beautiful flat.
So pretty. The wind picked up a bit, but the sun is out and it's a beautiful day. I've got my guide in the back of the kayak and your angler up on the bow.
You're gonna lose him. Oh fuck, we're not coming in.
There's a stick. Okay, it's recording.
That was a lot of paddling before we got into some fish.
Holy cow. Oh, he just came off. No.
I thought you might want to say something.
Well, I did, but then you told me no.
A good ways away from them. Actually, wait, don't take it yet. There's way more fish than it looks like. Okay, try him again. Over here. Put it out in front of him. Okay, wait for them to swim more. Okay, now make a cast at this fish. Quick. Swim it. Far. Drop it. Nice shot. Beautiful, he's on it. Shoot faster. Go. Chase him. He's gonna break you off. Oh. Did he come off?
Yeah. What do we have in here?
Picnic.
Goodbye.
Fish finally woke up. Water dropped out. Morgan's tight. Tons of fish around. There you go. Yay.
Finally, the fish were not cooperating with us for a while. But the sun's finally out. And here's a nice one. Hi, buddy. There he goes. And the kayak also goes. Wow, well that took us about all morning to catch a fish, but we've seen a bunch in the past 10 minutes, so hopefully we'll catch some more. Jake's turn now. So I say I finally caught one, and that's because this morning you saw I hooked up to both of those fish, but sadly they both came off. I think it was either just a bad hook set or they might have wrapped around a rock or something and just came off. So the fish I just caught was actually the first fish that I landed for today, which is awesome, but we saw so many this morning and it was pretty frustrating not being able to actually land one, but now I finally got one in the boat. Jake's on foot. I'm manning our shuttle kayak. We found that it's easier to just go on foot. It's like perfect conditions for wading. We don't have boots, just our feet, but it's nice sandy bottom. It doesn't hurt, which is nice. There's a huge school of fish. Jake just cast it at them. Oh, there must be like 20. They're going to the left. Oh, is he tight? Yes, he's tight. He's tight. Jake is tight. I repeat, Jake has a fish. Ah, my kayak. Nice.
That's a big school.
Hello. Oh, between your legs. Let's see this nice fish.
Tiny guy.
Jake is 1 for 1 with bones today. I'm 1 for 10. Oh, goodbye. Nice.
Alright, bite's turning
Another one. Bite's getting hot.
off. Bite's turning off.
And of course, as soon as we say the bite is hot, the bite dies. So we are back in the kayak, kind of heading back to where we started, which is about where you see that gray smoke. So we still have a bit of shoreline to go, and hopefully before we finish the day, we get at least one more bonefish. Man, is it beautiful! Hello, Raymond. Hello, Jake.
Nice Raymond. It's crazy how much the water dropped out today. Water dropped out, fish came out of their hiding place.
So when we first started kayaking this morning, you can kind of see this top layer of rock. It's pretty dark. The water was all the way up to that top layer, and this afternoon the water has receded out, so the water level has dropped down to where it is now. And even just kayaking over, it's probably only a foot deep what we're going over right now. So this is prime water depth for bonefish and other fish that we are seeing, but we are mainly seeing bonefish today. Where's the fish? Yes, I do. There's 2 fish tailing. Wow, they move fast.
Still see him?
Yeah.
Okay. way up now. They keep like stopping to take. Morgan's tight.
We just
what do we
found
got?
the snapper honey hole.
Oh Lord.
Woo!
Nice snappy.
Okay, goodbye. Stingray, Mr. Raymond. It's so nice to meet you. Hello, Mr. Raymond.
Go find a permit and come back sometime.
Goodbye.
Dirty Ray.
You can see all the ripples in the sand that the water has made over time. It was such a beautiful day. Well, we are coming towards the end of our adventure today. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed us catching our fish on the kayak and seeing this beautiful water we went around all day today. We'll see you next time. Bye!